Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today we're doing something a little bit different for you guys. So as you guys know, over the years, we have done a ton of giving back to the community, and we really pride ourselves on giving back to the community. We've donated hundreds of thousands of dollars back into the community, and we continue to do that every single month. Now, today, as you guys know, it is 9/11, and we are spending today really looking back and remembering those fire heroes who unfortunately lost their lives climbing 110 flights of stairs to go and save others' lives. Now, 2 years ago, I actually had the pleasure to do the stair climb event here at iconic Lambeau Field in Green Bay, Wisconsin, home of the Packers. And when you march up and down those stairs in the stadium, you make one full lap around the stadium, and that is equivalent to the 110 flights of stairs that the fire heroes encountered during the 9/11 events. Now, when I did it 2 years ago, I actually slapped full gear on, tanks on my back, and although it was very, very difficult, it will never amount to what those guys went through. So that was a very, very cool experience that I was able to be a part of 2 years ago. And we actually have some of our team members at Lambeau Field doing the very same thing today to really give back to the National Fallen Firefighters Foundation. Now, our most recent partnership and giveaway was with Moto Metal Wheels, where you guys got a chance to win a full set of wheels by scooping up one of these t-shirts. Now, as far as how much money we've raised and donated back this year, it's $64,000, and a chunk of that is going to be going to the National Fallen Firefighters Foundation. Once again, if you guys don't know what that foundation does, it actually helps provide resources for fallen fire heroes' families to really rebuild their life and to prevent fallen firefighter deaths and injuries. Now, as far as the Moto Metal giveaway goes, thank you guys so much for participating and entering into that giveaway, and also allowing us to donate money to such a great cause. We'll actually be announcing the winner here shortly, and we just want to take a second to really remember and thank all of our fire heroes out there. Thank you for your continued work and support in our communities. And with that, that's what I got for you guys.